delete FreeReels account, how to remove FreeReels data. If you want to delete your FreeReels account, it is very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is make sure to launch the FreeReels app and make sure that you're logged into the proper account that you want to delete. After that, tap on the profile icon located from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And when you do that, you'll come to this page, from where you just have to go to this option that says settings. Now from settings, you can find this option here that says account deletion. So you have to tap on account deletion, and from here you will see everything that will be deleted. From the bottom, just check this terms and conditions that says that you understand and accept the risks associated with deleting the account. And finally, after the delete button has been unlocked, you can just tap on this delete account button from the bottom to confirm the deletion of your FreeReels account. This way you can delete FreeReels account along with its data. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.